The zero budget strategy that brings high paying customers. What if I told you that you could bring in customers who are ready to pay without spending a single dollar on ads? I'm Goodness, and I got a real lead today for a Gota company in McKinney, Texas. Someone ready to spend money on the 1,800 square foot house installation. They found the website on Google, filled out the form, and said, I'm ready to hire you. The crazy part, the website cost me less than 100 pizza, no ads, no fancy design, just one single page website sitting on the first page of Google for over 8 months. And basically, this is the website right here. So, starting in Seamless Gota installation, this is the headline copy. This is the form. I believe this phone number doesn't even work as far as I can remember. So these are all the services we render: installation, replacement, repair, cleaning, downspout installation and repair, gutter guards. And basically, this is just the simple website, some review templates here. So if you're just watching this, if you need something like this, I could also get you something like this, my template, completely free of charge. You don't have to pay anything at all. So this simple website got us that lead that needed a gutter installation job. So the next 10 minutes, I'm simply going to show you exactly how I was able to build out this simple website right here that is now ranking for multiple of these keywords on Google. This is it here on the first page of Google for gutter repair McKinney, gutter cleaning McKinney, gutter replacement, gutter company. It's all ranking on number one, now page one, number two to number three, some ranking way below number one here for gutter installer McKinney. So the search could be different from exactly where it is you're searching from. It could vary, but I guarantee you most of the keywords, both of the buyer intent keywords people are looking for are right here on the first page of Google, and that's how we got that lead here. So why most business waste money? So here, most businesses, actually those that are local, spend hundreds of thousands of dollars every month on ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, flyers, mailer, you name it. And the moment they stop paying, the customers stop coming. It's like renting customers instead of owning them. Or they hire expensive marketing agencies that promise to get them leads, pay 1,500 a month, wait 6 months, and nothing changes. The agency blames the economy on their website or the prices. Meanwhile, they watch their competitors show up on Google. Why they stay invisible? They wonder why nobody's calling. They think maybe their service isn't good enough or their prices are too high. But that's not a problem. The problem is nobody can find them when they are ready to buy. Life Proof is a McKinney gutter lead I got, which I actually showed you up. So I put up these searches on Google and like this, and this was how someone actually searched for my service and got on this website and filled out a form basically. And here's the lead here. The person said I would like a gutter estimate for 1,800 square foot house, and basically that's a real person in McKinney who searched for gutter installation and found this website here that I just showed you here, and they filled out that form, and voila, that's the lead. So I basically looked for a company within the area to pass on this lead because I'm not based in the US and I have no incline as to how to fix and gutter. So I basically pawn off the job to someone else and I get a commission of it. So this isn't someone browsing, it isn't someone just looking, someone ready to pay. They have a house, they need gutters installed, they are asking for a price. That's a high quality lead and it came from a website that's been sitting there for over 8 months, doing nothing but show up on Google. No phone calls chasing people, no cold emails, no Facebook ads, just a website that works 24/7, bringing in people who are ready to buy. The three-step zero budget system. So how do I do this basically with zero budget? There are three simple steps which I actually worked on. So first of all, I built out the page, the one-page website with the right keywords in the right places, bought a domain, gutter installation McKinney, gutters McKinney rather in my regard, gutters McKinney in my regard, and made a one simple page website like that. So if you're in whatever niches you hire, if you're in window cleaning, window replacement, you just say window replacement, McKinney, window cleaning, McKinney, whatever it is, the service you render plus the city you render it, .com, .org, it does not necessarily matter. All that matters is it has the service you render and the location. So we place that in the domain name and the H1 tag, which is the heading tag, that's the big headline. above the page. This is it here. And a few times on the content page also. So multiple times here. Installation McKinney. Another one here, replacement service McKinney. So and basically that's it. So think of Google like a librarian. If someone asks, where are the books about dogs? And the book is called Dog Stories, the librarian knows exactly what you have. If your book is called Fun Tales, the librarian has no idea if it's about dogs. Google works the same way. If your website says Gutter Installation Bikini everywhere, Google knows exactly what you do. The website wasn't pretty. I'm not a designer. I just made sure it was clean, easy to read, and add a form where people could ask for quotes. Total cost of the domain was around $12 or so. The time, maybe 3 hours or so. Then step two, I built local citations. This is very, very key. Building local citations is very key. So it's more of like getting your website listed on pages like Yelp, Yellow Pages, local directories, Manta. Chief of them is Google Business Profile. So why does this matter? Google checks to make sure you're a real business. If they see your business mentioned on 30 plus to 400 mentions of your business on the profile, there's definitely, let me say, Sentinel. Okay. I think I have a Google Doc. So basically, this is where I listed most of the Gutter website on over 400 lists. So this is all of them. So we can basically do this out of the batch for you for a fee anyway. So if this is something you're interested in, you let me know. So then you basically do that. It's kind of boring work, but it's worth it, believe you me. So we submitted a press release afterward. We use this service, Kingswire. We use this premium service that guaranteed us AI Authority website, which is digital journal, and we got included in some of the coverages around the US. It costs $70 if you are going, but I have a subscription, ongoing subscription with them that allows me to give you my viewers for $50. So just $50, you're able to get this premium one instead of $70. So you save $20. Right, yeah. So with this press release, we're able to issue an announcement saying the new Gota installation service now available in McKinney. Local Gota company offers free estimate. We have a few press release websites that can submit it, so we just submitted that and that's it. So what this tells Google that your business is newsworthy, more people talking about you online. So why this brings you high paying customers? Here's why this strategy brings higher, very high targeted paying customers, not hierarchicals. When someone searches for Gota installation, they are not browsing. They are not just looking. They have a problem. They need Gota installed. That person types in the search and pay someone to solve their problem. They're not looking for free advice or DIY tips. They're looking to hire someone. So when you find a website on the page one of Google, you are not convincing them they need gutters. You just show them you can do the work. Look at the lead I got. They already know they need 1800 square foot installation. They're asking for an estimate. They give me the address. That's someone is ready to check. Compare that to a random Facebook ads where you're interrupting people scrolling through cat videos. Half those people aren't even in your city. Most aren't even ready to buy. But when someone searches on Google and finds you, they're ready, they are willing to pay. Some business need more, but this gets you started. So now I have to be honest with you that some markets are highly competitive, roofing, locksmith. So you might actually need to up your Google business profile if you don't have one already. But if you do, there are a few optimization you need to do even better to get your website shown and get your credibility in the eyes of Google all sorted out in no distant time. So here's the thing, most businesses don't even look at these basic three steps, which I have just showed you, and this could help you get 90% ahead of all of them. I also know that SEO takes time. You won't build a website today and start getting leads tomorrow. If you want to do that, you can always go the Google Ads strategy. Pay Google to drive traffic to your website until your SEO kicks in finally. So how to get this for your business? So option one is do it yourself. Follow the three steps I gave you. Build a one-page website for the service and headline and your business, your free directories, write and submit a press release. Then option two is let me do it for you. This is very crucial because it's going to take you time. It's going to take you hours of the knowledge I know. It's more of like saying I should come and do the service you render. It's not something I can do. It's your hours of work. It's your dedication. Imagine how much you earn per hour and you want to pour that in. Yes, while that might be comfortable for some of you, for those who it's not for, Book a discovery call using the link below. I'll build a website out for you, one page to about 50-page websites, giving you that local dominance in your area. And the beautiful part is you only pay when I'm done. No upfront cost, no monthly retainers. Just pay once everything is ready. And yes, I tell you upfront, SEO takes time and you need to wait a few months to see results. But once you start ranking, the leads keep coming like the one I showed you today. So, but before you book a call, pull up Google search right now and search for Plumber Dallas, landscaping, Houston, whatever you do. Take a screenshot of where you show up for page one or page two. Not anywhere at all. Note that down. So that's your starting point. So you save that screenshot. In 4 months, you're going to want to compare it to where you are then. Then drop a comment below telling me your business and your city, and I'll reply you and let you know how competitive your market is and how we could help you get ranking. So if you want more of these videos, if you don't want to waste money on ads, start getting high paying customers for free, book a free discovery call and I'll show you exactly how we'll do this for your business. Hit the subscribe button if you like this kind of simple ways to grow your business without breaking the bank. All right, see you in the next video. Bye bye.